What's the meaning of cuteness? Cuteness. Cuteness.
Cuteness. Cuteness. Cuteness is a subjective concept that describes the quality of being attractive, pleasing, and endearing in a charming or adorable way. It often refers to physical characteristics such as big eyes, small size, softness, roundness, and innocence. Cuteness is associated with positive emotions like happiness, joy, and affection, which can elicit nurturing and protective behaviors in humans and animals towards cute objects or beings. Overall, cuteness is a desirable and compelling trait that appeals to our senses and emotions and enhances our social interactions and well-being.